In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs with the latest update. If you've seen this warning popping up on your ElevenLabs account, it can be frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of an important project. This message usually appears when the system thinks something about your usage looks suspicious or outside normal patterns. The good news is, in most cases, it can be resolved pretty quickly by going through a few simple checks and making sure your account is fully compliant with their policies. First, start by logging in to your ElevenLabs account using your usual method. Once you're in, go straight to your account or profile settings. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the dashboard, where your avatar or initials are shown. Click there and open the main settings page. Here, your goal is to confirm that your account details are accurate and up to date. Make sure your email address is verified, your name looks correct, and any required verification steps from ElevenLabs have actually been completed. Next, take a moment to look over your recent usage. Navigate to the usage or billing section, where you can see your latest activity. You're looking for anything that might stand out. A sudden spike in character usage, a lot of requests in a short period of time, or activity that you don't recognize. If you spot something unusual, change your password immediately and log out of all other sessions from your security settings. This helps protect your account and shows the system that you're taking security seriously. If everything looks normal, but you still see the unusual activity detected message, the next step is to check whether you're using a VPN, proxy, or shared network. ElevenLabs can sometimes flag connections that jump between locations or appear from data centers instead of regular residential networks. Try disabling any VPNs and accessing your account from a stable, consistent connection. Also avoid logging in from many different devices or browsers in a short amount of time. After you've checked your details, your recent usage, and your connection, refresh the page and see if the warning persists. If it does, head to the Help or Support section inside ElevenLabs. There, you can open a support ticket. Clearly explain that you're receiving an unusual activity detected notice. Describe what you were doing when it appeared, and mention any recent changes, like new devices or networks. Attach a screenshot of the warning if possible. Once your ticket is submitted, wait for the support team to review your account. During this time, avoid repeatedly refreshing or spamming requests, as that can create more suspicious patterns. When they respond, follow any additional verification steps they provide, and you should be able to get your account back to normal usage without that warning showing up again.